How to delete Remitly transaction in progress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete if there is a specific transaction in progress on Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a transaction in progress, all you have to do is go and first of all make sure to launch the Remitly app and also make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you sign into your account, let's say there's a specific transaction. Over here you'll be able to see the transaction menu. Now in my case I have not made a certain transaction, that is why you're not being able to send it. But if you've made a transaction, you'll be able to find that incomplete transaction or the transaction on hold. When you select the transaction, if the transaction has not already been made, you'll also find the option to cancel them respectively. This way you'll be able to cancel Remitly transaction on progress. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.